What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and in this video I have a new dock to review for the Steam Deck. This is from Kiwihome, and a huge thanks to them for sending it out. Now in terms of the packaging, it is quite plain, so let's just get into it. So firstly we have the user manual, and it is in several languages. So let me just put that to the side and take out the dock. And I believe this only comes in the black color, and it is of aluminium finishing as well. Now one of the first things you'll notice is this button here, and I'll explain shortly what that is. Now on the front we've got the Kiwihome branding. Now in terms of the cable length, it isn't too long, which is good. So let's just take a look at the back for the ports. So firstly we have the DisplayPort, which is DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0, USB-C power delivery port to power the dock, and then 3 USB 3.0 ports, and then lastly a Gigabit Ethernet port. And I believe this is the first third-party dock which has the Ethernet port at the back, so this is a very nice thing to see. Now on the bottom we've got 2 rubber strips on each side to keep the dock firm on the desk. And then on the front here where you place the Steam Deck, we've got a nice rubber strip here as well to keep the Steam Deck firm. Now this button, what it does is if you press it while the Steam Deck is docked to your TV, it will disconnect the display, so there's going to be no display on your TV and it'll be on the Steam Deck as normal. But whilst everything is connected, it will still charge the Steam Deck. So this is quite interesting, and I'd like to see how that works. So let me just quickly compare the size to one of the other docks that I've reviewed. And as you can see, the length is slightly longer here for the new dock, and that's obviously because of the Ethernet port at the back. Now let's just see how it is for the ventilation for the Steam Deck. So if that is placed on the dock, as you can see here, it's not blocked out too much. So yeah, this seems quite good so far. So what I'll be doing next is testing out the dock. Alright, so we've got the dock plugged in, and the first thing you'll notice is this button has lit up now. Now I've got the HDMI cable plugged in, the official charging cable, USB mouse, USB-A flash drive, and a network cable. Now unfortunately there is no light indicator here, so you're not going to see the network activity. Anyway, let me just get the Steam Deck. And I like the length here, and let's just plug it in now, and it shouldn't take too long for it to be detected. And I'll just move the camera up. So as you can see, well, this is my micro SD card, and this is the flash drive. So let's just mount it. And I've got a game here, Super Mario Galaxy 2. That's about 1.5 gigs. So let's just copy it over to the Wii folder. And it's about 15 seconds in total. That's not too bad, I guess. And let's just wait for that to finish. Okay, so that's done. That had no issues at all. So we've got everything working fine on desktop mode. So now I'm just going to head over to gaming mode. Okay, so we're in gaming mode, and I have a Bluetooth controller connected and no issues. I just want to show you the function of this button now, so let me just get my camera down a little. I'll turn the deck around. Now you can see that button, so let's just press it. So the display has gone off on the monitor and we've got it on the Steam Deck. And let me just press that again. Took a few seconds, but the display is back on the monitor. So yeah, that works kind of fine and it's not a bad feature. Okay, so we're at the end of the video and I just want to give my conclusion, and that this dock is very good. I do like what's going on here, especially when it's their first gen model. Now I just want to mention a few things. So firstly, it is great that we've got a network port right at the back like the official Steam Deck dock. However, there's no network indicator lights here. I'm pretty sure it's going to be cheap to add on. Secondly, we should have a USB-C data port. I mean, come on. I'm sure a lot of people have got USB-C flash drives that we want to use. And then lastly is that this button, although it works great, it's on the back and it could be a bit of an inconvenience. For example, I've got the Steam Deck right here. Now if I want to press that button, I might want to turn it around just to access that button. If it was right here, it would be very convenient. But yeah, this is a very good dock. I mean, if they do a revision in the future, hopefully we see some improvements. So that wraps up for this video. If you have found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.